Hey guys, welcome to How To Tuesday. If you're new here, my name's Blake. I do makeup, and on Tuesdays I show you guys different techniques on doing different types of makeup. Well, not different types of makeup, different parts of makeup, eyes, lips, all stuff like that. And on Fridays I post full makeup videos. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, follow, subscribe to me. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the perfect cut crease, or just a cut crease in general. And yeah, that's today's How To Tuesday, so let's get into the video. Hey guys, okay, so first off, we're starting by doing my eyebrows, and if you guys want to see a full video on how I do my eyebrows, you guys can go check out my How To Tuesday eyebrow tutorial. So then I'm just going to prime my eyelids by putting on some concealer, and I just use a little bit lighter concealer than my regular concealer just to make sure the colors really pop. And you can do this with an eyeshadow primer as well, but I just use a concealer because it helps me clean up my eyebrows, all in the same process. And then I'm just going to set it with a translucent powder just to make sure none of the eyeshadow sticks in certain places, to make sure that when we blend it, it's all nice and even, because especially in cut creases, you want to be able to blend really well. And now on a tiny blending brush, I'm just using the lightest shade of pink and blending that out in my crease, but making sure to blend it up pretty high, pretty close to my actual eyebrows. And I just want to keep blending, 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 blending. And obviously you guys can do this process with any colors you want, but I'm just using like pinks and purples today. So now I'm just using the darker shade of pink, blending it in a smaller area in my crease, and then I went back with the lighter pink and blend that out on the top, just make sure everything was really cohesive and blend together. And now I'm just taking this purple shade and again doing that same process, blending it in a smaller area than the past pink color, and then going back with the lighter color and just blending it out a lot. And now on a concealer brush, I am just taking that and I am kind of mapping out where I want that cut crease to go, and then filling it in with concealer. And I like to use a concealer that dries quickly, just so that I don't really have to powder it too much and don't have to worry about powdering it really quickly. But I always make sure to powder it after to make sure nothing transfers up into my crease where we don't want it. I usually draw this kind of line right below my crease. And now I'm just taking a white aqua water activated eyeliner, can't talk today, and I am just lining the right under the crease, in between those eyeshadows and the concealer, and I'm just lining that and then doing a winged liner from that. So next, I'm just taking a purple water-activated eyeliner, and these water-activated eyeliners are by the brand Bawitsky. I hope I'm saying that right, but I really like them so far. I got them off Amazon. But yeah, I'm just filling in that inner area between the white eyeliners with that purple, just to add a little extra color. Okay, so that is the end of today's How To Tuesday tutorial, and this was the final look. And yeah, I didn't even realize it matches my shirt. Okay, that's the end of today's video, and these lashes are so long. I just got like a bunch of new lashes from Alphonse, I want to say. I don't know how exactly to say it. I hope I'm saying it right. But yeah, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for Friday's video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you guys want to get notified for when I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Tuesday.